Adding subtitles to your videos can be time-consuming, but what if you could do it all, automatically, with just a few taps? In this video, I'll show you how to use Verba, an AI-powered app that makes captions, voiceovers, and video edits fast and effortless. First, go to the App Store and search for Verba. The first result should be the app we need. Just tap on it. You'll see some preview screenshots. Verba lets you generate subtitles with AI, create automatic word-by-word captions, and choose from multiple presets, or even design your own custom style. Now, download the app. After signing up, you'll land on the main interface. Here, you'll see two main options: video with subtitles or video without subtitles. Below that, you'll find tools like audio enhancement, SRT file generation, and even an AI voiceover option. But for now, let's tap on video with subtitles, since our goal is to auto-generate captions using Verba. Now select a video from your phone. You can trim it right away if needed. Next, enable auto language detection. Verba will detect the spoken language on its own. Or you can manually select a translation language if you'd like. There's also an AI highlight option, which makes the captions more dynamic and visually appealing. Let's keep that turned on. Now hit the Continue button. Your video will begin importing into Verba. This might take a few moments. Once it's imported, your subtitles will be generated automatically, instantly, and word by word, without needing to type a thing. Now, let's customize the style of our captions. You'll find multiple categories like popular, simple, shadow, lines, and effects. Let's go with the Effects tab. This red one looks great. Just tap it once, and your caption style is applied. It's really that easy. But if you want more control, you can create your own custom style. Choose your text color, select a background, and pick how the animation should look. We'll go with this animation and add a visual effect from the first option. Now just resize and reposition the captions wherever you want on the screen. And that's it. Your custom preset is now live, with the animation and styling you applied. With Verba, adding professional-looking, AI-powered subtitles is as easy as a few taps. Now, let's add some sound effects to our video. Inside the Sound tab, you'll find a variety of audio effects. You can search and add the one that fits your video theme. We'll search for a car sound here. Tap to add, and now let's trim it to match our clip perfectly. You can also adjust the volume and position of the sound effect with just a few simple taps.
Sometimes it's smooth, sometimes it's bumpy, but every turn takes you somewhere.
Now let's move on to adding stickers and GIFs. We'll search for something that fits our scene, like a bumpy GIF. Here it is. Just tap, resize, and place it wherever you want on the screen. Let's add another one, this time a heart animation. We'll adjust the size and timing again. And now it fits beautifully into our video. Let's preview everything.
Life is like a road. Sometimes it's smooth, sometimes it's bumpy, but every turn takes you somewhere new. Don't be afraid of slow steps. They still move you forward. Keep going even when it's hard. Great things take time. Trust the journey. Your story is not over yet.
With the captions, sound effect, and stickers, it's all coming together smoothly. Now, if you want to edit or fix any caption, just tap on the text. You can hover over any word, make quick corrections, or even change the font style and position. Need to change the aspect ratio? Verba lets you pick from options like 16:9, 9:16, and more. Perfect for YouTube, TikTok, Reels, and Stories. We'll select 16:9. Ideal for YouTube or other horizontal videos. Now, let's export. Tap the top right corner, choose the quality. We're going with 1080p, and hit export. In just a few seconds, your final video is rendered and saved to your phone. So, that's how you use Verba. To create AI subtitles, add sound effects, stickers, and make your video truly stand out. You'll find the Verba download link in the description below. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this.